Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5077241, because of these error codes. So if you're receiving one of these error code, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to type in services in Windows search box. Click on services. Scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK and then make a right click and then click on restart. Once this is done, you can go back, and if you see the retry option over here, you can hit retry and then update. Still not working, go to Windows Update, go to here, you can see pause update option, hit pause. Once paused, resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, then run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it, hit the enter key. Now this will run a scan. In my case, the scan is done. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer, and after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, you can use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5077241, and then click on search. Now check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. Check your Windows version. In my case, it's version 25H2. Now check your system type, go to Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option over here. Check your system type. For me, it's 64-bit operating system. Now for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Click on download, and over here click on KB5077241, click on it and then let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction and then install this update manually and then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option. Over here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save and let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here and let this close automatically, and then go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next over here, click on accept over here, and here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.